Hello friends, how are you all doing? I'm Sapna here and today I'm going to share my story about my handwriting during my 6th grade. And also I'll show you how to write cursive writing, capital alphabet. During my 6th grade, I used to write running notes. When all the subject teachers they used to come, take all the notes orally, I had to write so fast. And I used to write in the cursive writing only in my rough notebook. All the running notes I used to write so fast in the rough notebook, and I used to go to the home and then again fare it in my classwork book neatly. I also used to copy the handwriting of my friends. I used to see them how they write and handwriting. I used to try that handwriting in my books as well. But finally, I used to stick to my handwriting, which I love to write. I hope you all must have tried others' handwritings during the school times, isn't it? Here I'm going to show you how to write cursive letters in a 4-rule page. You will see the orientation of the alphabet. Let's get started. Handwriting is very important in our lives to score good marks. It happens sometimes when you need to write pages and pages of answer sheets during the exams, and if your handwriting is very neat, clean, and tidy, you can easily score good marks. Sometimes if you make mistake also, it can be overseen. So teach your child good handwriting from the beginning itself so that it will be easy for them to score good marks. I hope this video is very helpful to all the parents or the teachers who are there watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my clip. Take care. Bye bye.